Still confused non-IT background से होकर data analytics में job कर सकते हो या नहीं? Then this video is exactly for you. Hi everyone, this is Chitra from Data5. Today I'm going to explain how students from commerce, arts, science, management, or even from completely non-technical backgrounds can successfully build a career in data analytics. First, let me tell you one important truth. You do not need to be a programmer or an IT expert to start data analytics. Data analytics is more about understanding data, business problems, and decision making, not just coding. Let's talk about what skills you actually need. First skill is Excel. Excel is usually the first step into analytics. You will work with formulas, pivot tables, charts, dashboards. Then next comes SQL. SQL is used to fetch data from company databases. You don't need to build software. You only need to learn how to ask questions from data using SQL queries. And trust me, SQL is much easier than most of the people think. Then next comes Python. Now, many non-IT students get scared when they hear Python. But in data analytics, Python is used mainly for data analysis, not software development. You will use libraries like Pandas, NumPy to clean, analyze and visualize data. If you can understand basic logic, you can easily learn Python. After that comes statistics and business thinking. This is where non-IT students actually have an advantage because statistics, logic, business understanding are more important than technical coding. You learn how to find patterns, trends, and reason behind data. Next is data visualization. Tools like Power BI, Tableau help you represent data in form of dashboards and reports. This is where you convert numbers into stories that management can understand. And storytelling is a skill where non-IT students perform very well. Now, let's talk about job roles. With data analytics skills, you can become a data analyst, business analyst, reporting analyst, MIS analyst, or even move into marketing, finance, and operation analyst. Companies don't care about your degree background. They care about your skills, projects, and problem-solving ability. Now, let me talk about how you should start. Start with Excel, then SQL. Along with that, learn basic statistics, one visualization tool, practice with real data sets, and build small projects. This is how you gain confidence. And most important thing, don't compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Everyone starts from zero. So if you are from a non-IT background and you are serious about learning data analytics, then yes, this career is absolutely possible for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Data5 and comment below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.